This is a 9mm high point pistol. It is an extremely inexpensive firearm made here in America. It has a lot to be said to it and a lot to be said against it. Primarily, it is simple, crude, and cheap, but it does get the job done. Lifetime warranty is on these things, and the lifetime warranty covers not just the original owner, but any subsequent owners. All right, this has a blowback operation, which is the least difficult and cheapest mechanism in order to make a pistol. Now we're going to go ahead and fire off a few rounds, and you can see how it works. As you see, it's not bad. It will get the job done, although it does have a few faults in its handling. It does work. And as you can see, the mechanism has several safety features, and you can rely on it.